Well, go on, everybody. You don't know me come with something down. You don't know me I come with something. Alright. Want to sit down and listen. This is something we are going for a long time, but I realize that the volume it is getting out of hand. So, somebody have to address it. Like how the Prime Minister address the nation. So, I'm going to address this topic, or this subject because it will get out of hand. Yeah, this is when I would learn more. Anyway, you have one set of woman, you see, you know them. You know one day with Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder to local and common phone, but it's still not solid the swiper. I don't understand that it can't work, so it are not work like that. You understand me? I know you have to selective in certain things, Cause I'm not gonna just take up any man off of the road. I'm gonna take up one man when me feel say match me, genuinely match me. But being selective is not a bad thing, and also being ambitious is a very great thing. You have to have ambition, else you just not going for you. You will stand for anything. But at the same time, you have to be realistic. You understand me? And while being ambitious is a very good thing, you just have to be realistic. Some of you not bring nothing to the table. You still don't want to cock up in a man's house and sit here and want to watch cable. What you bring to the table, goodie? Not even the cloth on the table you can provide. But yet still, you don't want a certain kind of man. Someone put a stigma to certain professions in our life. And it is so sad. Because me I say, whether him is a garbage collector or him working at the bank, no same money same kind of money them carry home. I mean, different amounts of money, but me sure the one we work at the garbage place, he might carry home 5,000, the one I work at the bank I carry home 10,000. The 5,000 and they might dirty, they might clean, but I see money, you don't spend them too. I don't understand someone, we take the man them things, but you don't want to hide from them and you don't want the man them showcase, it are not work like that. At the end of the day, money and someone to red eye, you must have pink eye. Make funny eye, them have a red, so. You understand me? Because you just want man things and not even is a match. Not even is a match because someone not demean nobody, but someone not even did finish primary school, but you don't want man who work on a BOJ, a man who work up a Sagicor or a Scotia, or a man who manager for supermarket and then but can too. But look at you too. Someone who can't care not self properly. But you don't just want constantly want. Fine, you don't have the man on the home. What the woman do? Man come home from a hard day's worth of work, you can't come home comfort on the feet. You the home all day, yeah, watch soap opera, yeah, watch African movie, yeah, watch God knows what. Babes, they can't bring more food. Bring it. Drunk go learn for cook now. Go learn for cook. Me don't know what someone get in the store from, I must and Nancy raise, because them store won't have them not realistic at all. I know no granny tell them something there. No grandmother could have never wicked to so. As a woman, you should be able to wash, cook, clean, do all of them nice local house things there. Someone nowadays generation, I don't know who raise you must row about because you can't do nothing for yourself. And someone wear this long nails and not even on a back, you can't wipe and clean good. Someone walk with order because you can't take care of yourself to not in this them long nails there. But look here now, man. You get on yourself straight. Get on yourself straight and understand on yourself. If you don't want to build with the man, you're not supposed to want the man when the man is already builded. If there's such a word, are built. You understand me? As women, we have to understand ourselves. It's good to grow with a man. Have him different scratch when you have nothing. From a piece in a chimney. Till you start have in a room, bathroom, master bedroom. You understand me? But someone don't want that. When you see the man and the man have nothing, and as soon as they have something, have push up on yourself. I walk out that you not salting, so like it the pan count and have no owner. That's why man use some That's because a man forget things. A man remember when them look when you not have nothing. And as soon as he have you want him to dig out a yam, yes? He might go be a farmer and dig out a yam. That's when the phone get used. A lot of you get used because you know a solid swiper. You just a swipe. People have never want to work feet. As women, we need to understand ourselves and respect ourselves. It is good to grow with a man. I understand that sometimes they left, but you won't know. But a man will cherish and value a woman that has stuck with him from he had nothing until he have something. I also from nothing to something. I'm a vado. I'll take that song this serious. You hear? Alright, have a wonderful day.